We're going to Magaluf. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is finally the day that we're going on holiday. Are you excited?
Yep.
We do actually have another special guest coming along with us, but you'll see him in a little bit. We've made it to the airport.
Well, we have.
We're on the bus to the airport. There was quite a bit of traffic, but we actually have ages, so we'll be fine. This is the special guest. This is Sam, who's joining us. He will be third wheeling the whole holiday.
Yes. Or do you want rum, Sam? There's Captain Morgan's. Do you want?
You tell me.
Most important question of the holiday is what are we buying from duty free for free?
She's the problem. You're the problem.
Why am I the problem?
Problem child.
She took about 40 different drinks for free, so she hasn't made up her mind on what she wants.
Right, let's look. We're going with 2 Smirnoffs for £20. Are we going to get through this in the week? We'll see. The goods have been secured, so we're at Spoons.
Yes.
That's not
We're
that
getting some
hot.
dinner.
I've got sensitive hair. I don't know how though.
We have to get on this weird little shuttle bus thing. The track is like a whole roller coaster. But she told us our gate is like stop number 1. The boys have just gone to the toilet, so they've left me alone, but we've just looked on the board and it says estimated 8:10, which means it's delayed. So I'm hoping it doesn't get delayed anymore. So we got the tram over here, but now we've just got to wait around an hour and there's nothing in this part of the airport. We're going to watch Sidemen Sunday to keep us entertained. What is it?
24 hours in the forest.
It's 2 hours long, so that should be enough entertainment. This is the current setup until the plane comes. They are doing stuff over here though, so I'm guessing the one that we're getting is going to be landing soon. Our flight is pulling up, so hopefully we won't be too late. We've boarded the flight. It's about an hour late. Hopefully we can take off soon. Cracked out the jet ski. We've landed. No one clapped when the plane landed though.
I did.
Which is
Becca
really
did.
disappointing. Just got ripped off because it took my €1.50 and wouldn't give me another bottle of water, but we got one for €3. We've made it to our transfer. The queue was actually massive, but we spoke to the man and said what the hotel name is, and he's written it down, but wish us luck. And it is so hot in here. I am sweating. Good morning. We made it to Magaluf. I was hoping to end this vlog last night, but honestly it was a bit of chaos at the end and I was so tired I literally went straight to sleep. Because we booked with Jet2, we literally had a transfer included, but it felt like it was going round in circles and it took ages. They also told us you have to get off at a different hotel because we can't take you to your specific hotel, and check in at their reception and then they'll give you the information. So we queued in the line, got to the front, and then they were like, oh no, you have to go to your hotel. We're walking all the way down the street. Didn't it feel so long last night?
Well, yeah, we spent so much time for no reason doing whatever. So yeah.
And we had to get up fairly early this morning because we've got a beach club booked, but we're awake. We're ready to go. It's going to be a good day. I'll do a room tour and then wrap this vlog up. So you walk in here, it's a 2-bedroom apartment. Actually,
What's the point of this little bit?
Sam's bedroom's there, it's a single bed, I'm not going to go in there. And then this is our bedroom, which does have like loads of wardrobe space. The window goes so you can see the other ones. It's like an internal window. We have already like got our suitcases out this morning. We've got a little mirror here. Then this is the bathroom. Massive mirror here. Quite a big shower. The boys have already used the shower and they said it is really good.
Yeah.
And then we've got like a living area here with a TV and a little kitchenette. If you're wondering what it comes with, there's like a kettle. I think that might be some sort of hob. We've obviously got the praise. microwave, fridge, and I think there's a freezer, and then quite a lot of cupboards actually. I don't know if this comes with anything for cooking. Oh, we've got some plates, cutlery, and here's the balcony, and then this is the view from the other balcony. Yeah, I saw that. There's actually a water slide over there if you can see it in the distance. It's not a bad view. He's talking about sun cream. And it is already really warm this morning. It's like 8 o'clock. We've got the 2 chairs here. One thing I completely forgot to mention, if you are staying here, there is no locks on any of the doors, including the bathroom. So you're probably going to stay here with a group, because it is a 2-bed apartment, but just remember there's no locks. I didn't explain, so we're staying in the Tent Mojito Suites, and when we booked this it wasn't actually open. The photos were like artist impressions, so we had no idea what to expect. But the reviews that I saw from last week were so bad. Everyone was saying it's still a construction site, like it's not ready to open and all of this. We were so nervous, but it's actually not too bad. I think if you don't come here with high expectations, then it's quite nice. It's obviously not luxury, but if you're coming for like a party hotel, then I don't think that matters. And the main thing is that we do have a few paint splodges on the floor, but that doesn't really affect our hotel anyway. We'll go see what the breakfast is like, but I'm going to put that in the next vlog. So thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.